Hi. It's great to see you. Welcome to Lesson 2. This lesson will continue with the very basics of learning the English language. How did you get on with your practice with the greetings we covered last week? Let's have a quick practice to remind you before we move on. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. You will see a new one to learn here too. Good night. Let's take a look at how we would use good night.
Molly was sad that it's time to go to bed. She sat and read her book for a short while. Then it was time to say good night.
Good night. Now it's time to look at the alphabet. We will break it down into small chunks to learn bit by bit. A. Apple. B. Bird. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fox. G. Goat. An easy way to remember this is to learn a song. Let's sing.
Are you ready? I said, are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sing, sing, I can sing, 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 I can sing, 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 I can sing. A, B, C.
Now after that hard work, it's time for a short break. Now we will look at H through to P. H. Horse. I. Insect. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamb. M. Monkey. N. Nightingale. O. Octopus. P. Penguin.
Hi everyone, I have a riddle for you. In the English alphabet, I reside, between H and J, I don't hide. With curves and a dot, I may sometimes be forgot, but without me, you can't, hi, or hide. What am I? The answer is the letter I. Match the picture to the letter. C is for cat. Did you get it? Don't worry if not, just keep practicing. Let's try another one. Match the picture to the letter. Did you get it? The answer is apple.
Now we will run through Q to V. Q. Queen. R. Rough. Rabbit. S. Snake. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Van. Let's have another game of match the letter to the picture. Did you get it right? The answer was V for van. Just a few left now. W through to Z. W. Worm. X. X-ray. Y. Yellow. Z. Zebra. Well done. You have looked at the whole of the English alphabet. Just keep practicing. You will remember it in no time at all.